First, you draw the H parameter model, then you draw the additional components. Okay, so HIE will come, HFE IB will come, then RE will come. RE is there because I'm adding it for stability purpose. Then you will have the RL, which is the voltage output load resistance across which I'm measuring the output voltage. Okay, so RL across RL, I measure what is V naught or VC. So I measure V voltage like this plus minus, but see the current is flowing from bottom, so the current is flowing like this. So whenever you calculate the output voltage, you have to put a minus sign. Okay, that you have to be very, very clear. And additionally, you will have RS and VS. RS is your source resistance, VS is the AC voltage, whatever you are going to give. So removing the external supply, whatever is going to your transistor is your V input, that is your VI. So VI will not consider the effect of source values. So VI will be purely whatever is entering your base. And VS and RS are externally added that will come outside your base. Is this diagram clear for everyone? Anybody is having doubt in drawing this diagram, you can ask your doubts here. Or if you are not clear and if you want to explain it again, you can mention that here. If you are silent, I cannot understand what is going into your mind. Things are clear, I am happy. Otherwise, please let me know if it is clear or not. And current through emitter current, emitter current is IE, and IE is equal to IC plus IB. Okay, and IC is beta into IB. So I can write the emitter current as 1 plus HFE into IB. That is what is written here. So don't think something unknown factors written here. So you know that emitter current IE is equal to IC plus IB. Emitter current equal to collector current plus base current. And IC is equal to beta into IB. So if you take IB as common, you will get 1 plus beta into IB. 1 plus beta is also represented by HFE. So it is 1 plus HFE into IB. So the current through the resistance RE is going to be IE. And I'm writing IE in terms of IB as 1 plus beta into IB. Okay, that is a simple equation which I'm writing everything in terms of base current. Why base current? Because it will be easy for simplifying the expression when I write everything in terms of base current. Now, first thing I'll find what is my voltage gain. First current gain. Here we find the current gain. Okay, current gain is given by output current by input current. Output current, you see, it is IC, and input current is IB. And we put a minus sign because usually output current will be flowing outside your circuit. But see here, the output current is flowing towards your circuit. So it is minus IC by IB. Is it clear why minus sign is coming? And one more reason why minus sign is coming is because you have a common emitter amplifier. In common emitter amplifier, voltage gain and current gain will have a minus sign. The significance of minus sign indicates that it has 180-degree phase shift. Okay, the current gain is minus. Current gain means output by input, minus output current by input current. Output current is IC, input current is IB, so minus IC by IB. IC is equal to HFE into IB, substitute IB and IB will get cancelled, so the current gain is going to be minus HFE. So current gain is negative doesn't mean that it is loss. Usually if gain is negative, we call it as loss, but here it is not loss. This minus sign is because of 180-degree phase shift, which happens inside in a common emitter amplifier. Okay. The cos 180 is minus 1, right? The phase shift is 180. So the phase shift will be coming as a minus sign in both voltage gain and current gain. So this current gain is... this current gain does not depend on RE. It is minus HFE only. So even if you have RE or if you don't have RE, this current gain is going to be minus HFE only. So it's clear. Anybody, is it clear how to find the current gain? Anybody is having doubt in finding the current gain? It is very simple. See, you should know the basic formulas for gain. Gain is output by input. Current gain means output current by input current. Voltage gain means output voltage by input voltage. Okay. So here we are measuring current gain first, and current gain is minus IC by IB. IC is minus HFE into IB. So IB and IB will get cancelled. So the current gain is minus HFE. Is it clear? Any doubt in current gain?